Ah! TNT! Great! This is all the... You had to drive all the way to France to get that! TNT are awesome! Thank you! My motorbike will love you! Can't sign from 2 meters, no? Cheers!
Great Glycol gods, I ask for your guidance. Blessed Aprilia, come to me with the god's desire for my future. Blessed Biaggi, great Aprilia MotoGP winner and warrior, watch over my RSV 1000 with ready sword. Whisper to my bike, whisper, that I live only to ride it again, for all else is dust and air. Great Glycol gods, I honour you and will try to live with the dignity that you have taught me. I am forever in fealty and love of your Glycol-based clutch and brake fluid, which will honour my bike in turn and keep it running like the gods themselves, forever maintained and refreshed, forever whooping all other bikes on the road. Thank you, gods of Glycol. Love, love, love. Masturbation time.